City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you're new here. In today's video, we are doing a whole house clean with me. So if you are needing some motivation to get something done today, this is definitely the video for you, and I'm excited to take you guys along. As per usual, I'm starting in the bedroom today, so just pretty much doing my cleaning routine in here and throughout the entire house. This is pretty much what I do every morning, or I would say every other morning. I have most of my energy in the morning time, so the evenings I just sort of let the house be, and then in the morning I'll tidy up. We started in the bedroom, and I just needed to make the bed and just clean off the nightstands, and then now I'm in the bathroom and just tidying up in here, and then I'm also going to wipe the mirrors and wipe the countertop as well. So to wipe down my cabinets along with my countertops in the bathroom, I'm just using my Mrs. Meyer spray. So it's an all natural, all purpose spray, and then I'm just using my microfiber cloth to wipe everything down. Finish off in the bedroom. I wanted to go ahead and vacuum this space. I haven't done it in probably a week or so, so just wanted to do that. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did purchase 2 new lamps for the bedroom, and I have purchased the pictures to go over the bed. I just haven't hung them yet, so I'm excited to share that with you guys coming soon. So now we are in the living room and pretty much wanting to put everything back where it goes, and then fold the blanket and also vacuum in here. So we just have a few things to tidy up in here, and then we will be good to go to the next space. this ottoman definitely gets a lot of crumbs and dust and everything in the cracks. So I just wanted to make sure to vacuum that out. Normally I'll turn it over and then sort of shake it out, but this time I was just like, let me just go ahead and use the vacuum cleaner since I already have it out. And it worked pretty good. So I am on the lookout for a new coffee table. So I'm trying to sort of get rid of that ottoman and switch it out for a coffee table. So I am definitely in the search to switch that out. Now we are in my desk area / closet space. This is eventually going to be where we have like a sleeper sofa. You know, just having some extra space within this room will definitely be nice, but it is in the works. So it's pretty plain Jane right now. All we have is like my desk in there and then a random nightstand from the bedroom that I had in the master bedroom, and we are probably going to sell it or give it away. But so right now this area looks pretty plain Jane. I do have some decorating ideas eventually once we purchase some new furniture for this space, but for right now I'm just going to put everything back where it goes as far as my clothes. And then I had shoes in this space on the floor, and I don't know, it just felt cluttered to me. And I had my hanging organizer in the very back that I used for my shoes before I did like my closet clean out. And so what I'm doing is just taking the shoes that I don't wear very regularly and just putting them back in the hanging organizer. And I just know that, you know, the hanging organizer is sort of in the back of the closet, and I just know what shoes are in there at the moment. So I definitely liked how it turned out to where I don't have any shoes on the floor at all, and it just looks a lot neater to me.
This was not a good stay. Gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. Yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here.
So all that's left to do in this room is vacuum, and then we'll move on to the bathroom and Eleni's room next.
Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Sometimes. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow.
I did post a deep clean with me video where I was deep cleaning this particular bathroom. So if you are needing like deep cleaning motivation, I'll post that video in the description box below. But today all we're going to really do is clean the mirrors and then the countertops as well. And that's pretty much all we're going to tackle in the bathroom today. So in Eleni's room today, I need to just tidy up a few things, put some things back where they go, and then I'm going to wash her comforter today. So we have the Betty's zip up comforter, so you just have to remove all of it to wash it. So that's what I'm going to do today, is wash that. It is definitely overdue, but and then I'm going to wipe down her nightstand as well. I feel like her nightstand gets pretty dirty pretty quickly, so I just wanted to wipe that down, and then we're also going to vacuum in here as well. Enjoying this video so far and it's giving you the motivation to get something done, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel here. I post on cleaning, organizing, laundry motivation, anything to inspire you to get something done. If you are needing that type of motivation in your life right now, you'll definitely love it here, and I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube community. The last space we're going to tackle today is the kitchen. I had already tidied up like the countertop space. Now, as far as cleaning goes, I know I had mentioned that I do all of my cleaning in the morning versus at night. However, our kitchen does have to be cleaned. So there's no excuses in regards to the kitchen. We always have to have that cleaned. And we try to always run the dishwasher at night, and then I'll just unload it in the morning, and then we'll load it back up throughout the day and at night. And that just seems to work best as far as our cleaning routine goes. But yeah, kitchen always has to be clean. Let me know in the comments below if you agree with that or not.
Never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place.
So clearly, I definitely need to declutter and reorganize our utensils. We have like silver utensils, gold utensils, colorful utensils, but that is definitely something that's on my to-do list to get done.
How much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive. How much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. Could be good. Then you fade. Then you fade away. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. Could be good. Then you fade. Then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm missing. Feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm missing. Feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah.
Since I went ahead and wiped down the cabinets in the bathroom, I just wanted to go ahead and tackle the kitchen cabinets as well. I didn't do the bottom kitchen cabinets. I ended up just doing the top kitchen cabinets because whenever I was wiping down the countertops, I just noticed a couple of grease stains. So I just wanted to clean those off. I'm just using Mrs. Meyer's as always, along with a microfiber cloth. If your cabinets are really, really dirty and they're, they have a lot of oil stains and stuff like that, I have seen a lot of people using like a tablespoon of a Tide powder and just mixing it with a little bit of water and then using that to wipe down cabinets. That works really, really good when cleaning your cabinets. So there's a tip for you guys if you need to clean your cabinets. But for me, since I've been doing it super regularly since moving into the new apartment, it has been fine with just wiping down with my all-purpose spray.
Trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm messing.
Hope you guys enjoyed this whole house clean with me video. Hope it inspired you to get something done. And as I always say, if that's just to simply make your bed, I am still proud of you. I hope you guys will tune in for the next video. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
You were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong.